you poor thing, you poor baby. She's a brat. Zoom in here. No? What makes you think that? Oh, we just fancy it. Look at the overflow in the seat.
That's not very nice. What did you say? Look at the overflow in the seat, that's naughty.
I'm just such a mean, horrible person.